What does Christina want in love?
Answer था वो. I want Aviral. That's it. Answer. What do you want?
I really wish he could understand.
No. What is the 3 things Christina wants in love?
From a person whom I want.
Yeah, just in love.
I just need understanding. I just need love and care.
Okay. They're the 3 things you want.
Yeah.
आपको मिल रहा है वो तीनों चीज?
To be honest, no. Not fully. As जितना expectations है उतना नहीं, but yeah, he is giving me.
Christina, why don't you ask Aviral right now what you want from love? Tell him to his face. Respect yourself first and then ask him to respect that.
आप बोलो क्या करना चाह रहे हो? What do you want from me?
No, one second. You have to tell him what you want from love. Don't ask him.
Oh.
You put your demands down. It's about you now, Christina. See, this is what I say. आप इतनी vulnerable है, तो people will only see your vulnerability. They will call you immature, and nobody will ever love you the way you need them to because you don't love yourself enough. So now tell him what you want from a love.
मैं एक ऐसी लड़की हूँ जो आपके लिए कुछ भी करने के लिए रेडी है ताकि आप खुश रहो और मेरे साथ रहो. तो आप बस मुझे इतना बता दो कि मैं कहाँ वो छूट रही हूँ जिसकी वजह से आप डिस्टेंस हो रहा है या डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो रहे हो.
क्रिस्टीना, फिर आप वहीं चली गई. आप उसे बताओ कि आपको उससे क्या चाहिए. आप उसे ये मत बताओ कि
No, I was coming to the point
आप
only.
बताओ कि मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकती हूँ. आप फिर वहीं चली गई.
You've done enough, right?
Just tell me what you want.
I really need you to understand me. And मैं चाहती हूँ आप जितना आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करते हो उससे ज़्यादा आप मेरे साथ रहो. Because we need to create a connection. इसीलिए हम यहाँ पर हैं. And you should understand this in a good way.
So मैं कुछ
Sure.
I just want you to know कि I'm sorry अगर आपको लगा कि मैं किसी और के साथ ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड कर रहा हूँ या आपकी इनसिक्योरिटीज़ बड़ी मेरी वजह से. और आज सुबह से मैंने ट्राई करे एफर्ट्स डाले and I promise you कि मैं पूरे टाइम एफर्ट्स डालते रहूँगा till you time you're comfortable and probably आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि मेरे और साक्षी में कभी कुछ था या होगा. So I promise you that.
Somewhere that was just not convincing enough for me, but I think, Christina, because you're here on Love School, you know we can keep guiding you. क्योंकि आपको कहीं ना कहीं आपको I don't know you feel really less about yourself. You know, this beautiful girl who just feels like she needs to give.
Yeah.
But she doesn't know how to ask. And जब आप love करते हैं ना, आप कभी expect नहीं कर सकते. You cannot expect. If you're giving your 100%, you can't expect somebody else will. That just happens naturally, right? Remember, people are different. But the one lesson you must always learn, and this is for everybody, if you don't love yourself, nobody can love you.